Are you looking for the best impact wrench for tire removal? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of impact wrenches and how they can be used to remove tires. We'll also cover the different features and specifications of the best tire removal impact wrench. So let's get started. List number 1, dewalt 20 volts Max XR Impact Wrench Kit. The dewalt 20 volts Max XR brushless high torque 1/2 inch impact wrench W. Hog ring anvil is powerful and versatile for fastening various applications. It's designed to provide superior comfort, speed control, and working in dark spaces, while increasing productivity by utilizing the no-load speed control mechanism. Designed for fastening various applications, the DCF899HB 20 volts Max delivers maximum output and runtime in a lightweight design. The powerful brushless motor provides extended runtime and zero load current draw, so you can work longer to reach your goals. Its durable build is designed for long use and set up in difficult working conditions that include cold temperatures. This kit is built with the right tools for professional level performance in your toolbox. The DCF899HB is the most powerful and versatile impact wrench in dewalt's range. This tool delivers maximum torque in a compact design with a unique brushless motor that increases battery life, extended runtime, and provides increased speed control. This is currently dewalt's newest and strongest cordless impact wrench. You might want to look for the one that comes with batteries and a charger. But the 18V has a peg that you insert into the tool essentially up and down. The 20V has a track that you slide in back and forward. Two different attaching methods. List number 2, Ingersoll Rand 2235 to Max 1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 2235 to Max Air Impact Wrench is built from high-strength steel with a titanium hammer and case, making it extremely durable in the harshest of environments. The one-handed forward, reverse mechanism lets you change direction with a simple button push so you can tackle multiple applications with ease. A 4-position power regulator switches between high torque, low torque and no load modes for customized tasks that exceed expectations. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces and roomy areas. Its air compressor provides consistent air pressure so every job is completed to perfection. The Ingersoll Rand 2235 to Max 1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench tackles heavy-duty assembly and disassembly applications, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair with exceptional performance and control. With a titanium hammer case, steel wear plate, and 4-position power regulator, this impact wrench offers the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. It comes with everything you need for a variety of jobs around the shop. The Ingersoll Rand 2235 to Max 1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench delivers up to 1,350 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque on precision assemblies and disassembly applications, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair. The compact and light design lets you work harder and faster. List number 3, No Cry 20 volts Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. This cordless impact wrench is perfect for homeowners who are tired of the time it takes to charge and swap batteries for their air tools. This 5-tool rechargeable 20 volts cordless impact wrench lets you get the job done with ease, thanks to its sharp 500 feet lb, 650 Newton meters, impact, fast-charging lithium battery, easy-to-read LED lights, and onboard storage bays. And you can complete any job with this versatile kit that includes a 20 volts 4.0R lithium-ion battery and a fast charger that allows 2 charging, working cycles in 2 hours. The No Cry's 20 volts cordless impact wrench kit is a powerful impact wrench that will not only loosen lug nuts and bolts but also tighten screws and bolts with ease. At 280 feet lb, 370 Newton meters, the impact wrench creates fasteners of immense force, allowing for easy loosening and tightening of nuts and bolts. You'll have a safe, reliable tool at your disposal for months to come or whenever you need it. And you can complete any job with this versatile kit that includes a 20 volts 4.0R lithium-ion battery and a fast charger that allows 2 charging, working cycles in 2 hours. The 1/2 inch detent anvil will remove tires from cars, commercial vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, and trailers at 2,200 RPMs and can be used for automotive repairs, major construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, or product assembly. The no-cry impact wrench comes with a 4-year limited warranty, covering you in case there's an issue. List number 4. Makita XWT08T 18 volts LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless impact wrench kit. The Makita XWT08T 18 volts LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless impact wrench kit combines 740 feet.lbs. 100.6 Newton meters, fastening torque and 1,180 feet.lbs. 155.7 Newton meters, breakaway torque with extended runtime, speed control, and longer tool life to deliver unmatched fastener removal. The new electronic 3-speed power selection switch gives users more precise fastening control in applications ranging from iron and steel workers to those working on all types of metal, pipes and railway track, machinery assembly and maintenance, mining equipment and automotive repair. Machined front swivel and rear handle engagement makes tool ergonomics more comfortable. Friction ring anvil provides higher holding power over traditional metal impact wrenches. Variable speed electronic power selector provides more precise fastening control. Powerful lithium-ion battery allows up to 2.5x faster charging than other 18 volts batteries on the market today, with 120 minutes of runtime. Engineered in Japan, this hammer-top design delivers maximum impact energy on rough surfaces while providing better control and durability than tripod wrenches. The extra long body provides increased reach for making tight bends, and the extension handle features anti-slip comfort grip for extra control. The Makita brushless motor lasts longer than conventional motors, allowing you to take on more projects than ever before. Its lightweight design makes it easy to hold firmly in place so you can increase your productivity in no time. List number 5. Garden Joy Cordless Power Impact Wrench. This Garden Joy cordless electric impact screwdriver is built for heavy applications. This tool delivers max torque of 3,132 in-pounds and max loosening torque of 3,940 inches-pounds. The fast charging time is only 1 hour, so you can get the most out of your time with it. The smart chip allows you to choose discharge protection, overcharge protection and over-temperature protection as well. This impact wrench can also be used by itself without any breakers or extension cords attached. This electric impact wrench has a brushless motor, which uses less power to drive bolts and screws. It is equipped with a high-torque impact driver that can achieve maximum torque of 3,132 in-pounds and 3,800 BPM impact rate for driving large fasteners. The impact wrench can be changed into low-speed mode when it is not required by using the pressure you apply on the trigger. This cordless power impact wrench features a brushless motor with a max tightening torque of 3,132 in-pounds and max loosening torque of 3,940 in-pounds. The smart chip can provide discharge, overcharge, over-temperature and over-protection and extend the running time by 48%. The drive system allows you to change the speed of the impact power wrench cordless with the pressure you apply to the trigger to get the right fit for each application.